Come here, Bubba. Go, girl.
What
Yes.
she is exactly? What are you gonna do about it? Guess you haven't noticed.
Yes.
You're the lamest and she's the super chick or whatever.
At least I'm the lamest who
Oh,
cares. That's
goodness
one thing I can say about you.
sakes.
Buffy!
Yes.
I'll check upstairs. Buffy!
Touch. Yes. Good girl. Emma. Come here. Sit. Yes. Good girl. Good morning. You gonna try that out? That is like the tastiest food on the planet. Yes, it is.
Good day.
Miss Emma.
Lush, beautiful skincare and cosmetics.
Down.
I was wondering if I might be interested.
Yes. Good girl. You go. He goes, I'm not gonna eat that. Here. Oh, goodness sakes. What am I gonna do with you? Oh, come here, baby girl. Hi. How you doing? How are we gonna get this all done, huh? How are we gonna get anything done if you do this every morning? Come here. Yeah, good girl. Mwah. You wanna try that? Ooh, tasty. Go for it. Mwah. Wanna try that? Hammer.
You must be number 2.
Yeah. Try it again. Yum.
Thank you, the wake up, but I'll take the 9 o'clock radio.
Oh, that was tasty. Yes, it was. Want to try it again? Wop, 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 wop. Want to try it again? Wop, 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 wop.
Come on. Don't make me do the chick fight thing.
Go.
Chick fight.
Get that.
You know.
Good job. Yay. Get that. Good job. Yay. Yay. Here, have one. Yay. Good girl. Oh, no. They're so tasty. It's like a magic party in your mouth every time, huh?
Who are
Yum,
you?
yum, yum.
Who am I?
Yum,
You attack
yum,
me,
yum,
what the hell
yum,
are you?
Da,
I'm
da,
Kendra, the vampire
Yum,
slayer.
yum, yum, yum. Can you sit? Yama? Sit. Yay, good girl. Down? Yes, good girl. Touch? Yes, good girl. Can you shake? Oh, that's a hand. That's a touch. That works too. Come here. Can I have a shake? Yes, good girl. How about a touch? Yes, good girl. Oh, you're so smart. Yes, you are. You're just so smart. Here, let me get up. Oh, I didn't even have to get up. It's right here. Come here. Try that again. Oh, tasty. Touch. Yes, good girl. Touch. Yes, good girl. Touch again. Yes, good girl. Shake. Yes, good girl. Let's take a break. We took a break. Oh no. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's it. I know. It's just so hard. You just don't know what to do. Come here. That's it. Very good. Can we back around this way? Yes, very good. No. Yay, good job. I'm going to go over here. Yay, good girl. I'm going to go over here. Yes, you thought about it. Very good. Yay, good girl. Where'd I go? Yay, good girl. Where'd I go? Yay, good girl. Yay, good girl. There she is. Yay, good girl. Oh, look, free food. That was good. You thought about it. Well, come on around. Come here. Very good. Very smart. Can you give me? Yeah, good girl. This is going to take forever. Yes, it is. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm seeing little tiny butt movements. That's nice. Very nice. Thank you for lining up. Come on around. Very nice. Very good. I see it, but what about his moving? Very nice. Okay, very good. Now that we got that going, look what we got going on. Very nice. Here we go. And whatever we don't get in this training session, we'll just feed you by hand. Yes, we will. Okay, so come here. Very nice. There you go. Oh, come on. You gotta do something. Oh my goodness, that's so good too. Yes. Yes. Wow. Extra. Yes. Yes. Well, that's a good choice. That was a very good choice. Come on. Take it something. That works. Get any movement with your back feet. Very nice. Get any movement with your back feet. Free food. There you go. Sorry, that one right there. Good. You're good. Go ahead. Good girl. That was it. Nice work. You got a lot of movement in that back foot. Nice work. Yay. Here you go. Good girl. And that was breakfast. How tasty was that?